So Exertis Almo now offers great service to our integrated partners with the dvLED installations. We now have the ability to close what used to be a 16-week order to installation gap to now 1 to 2 weeks, because we've now installed a specialized warehouse or dvLED to be able to do that warehousing, put in the expertise to stage the product, and then to ship the product at the desired time for our integrated partner. Exertis Almo enables our integrated partners to order and install direct view LED solutions to their customers faster than ever before.
So the original technology was a 16-panel TV array. Unfortunately, the original installation had all of the TVs being cascaded together. There was no video processor on the end. That posed a lot of challenges for Generac specifically. They were losing sync with specific panels. In addition, most of the panels were having just issues with color correction or power supplies failing, and they were having to disassemble a large portion of the wall in order to just service one singular panel.
Yeah, we had a lot of challenges. The two major ones were serviceability of the system. If one monitor went out, it was a domino effect. It would hit the 2 or 3 after that monitor because of that daisy chain design that was put in place. The quality of the screen looked very burned in and faded. It didn't look well in our marketing materials or events that we posted online or on LinkedIn and those kind of things.
We immediately recommended our 1.2 millimeter wallpaper series. Really the reason why is it is a native 16:9 cabinet that also has a razor thin like LCD panel width, thinner than your watch roughly. Because of that, it's a perfect LCD alternative. It also has low power efficiency, meeting all of Generac's sustainability and green power initiatives globally. Outside of this, really Generac's main challenge with their LCD video wall system over the last 5 years really is the serviceability and maintenance challenges they've had. With the wallpaper series, each and every component can actually be replaced or repaired for the life of the system, making it really simple and easy for their technical team to be able to operate and maintain the solution for years to come.
The universal mounting system is for latching cabinets only. So with that said, it is providing a rigid frame where the cabinets latch together. It attaches to the wall, so it acts as one independent structure if the building is to settle or move. So you shouldn't have deflection or any major issues with that. It should be something where it maintains its look over time. So year 1 will look the same as year 5 and potentially year 10. So your LED mounting system from Peerless will last for the lifespan of your LED.